my YouTube channel. So this is a little deviation from our usual make money online, work from home, DIY and things like that. In today's video, I'm going to be taking you through a random week in my life, and it happened to be my birthday last week, the 18th of March, and I am so grateful and excited to have seen a new year in my life. I am grateful for my life journey. I am grateful for my family. I am grateful for my amazing and fantastic partner. I am grateful for my friends. I'm grateful for my community. I am grateful for my YouTube subscribers. We got monetized in February 2024. I have been dealing with some health issues and I haven't really been able to come live to say thank you as it's done traditionally in my community. But this video is a heartfelt thank you video. Thank you everyone that has supported me. Thank you everyone that has been with me every step of the way. Thank you, my amazing family. Thank you guys for understanding me and also always making an excuse for me. And to the most wonderful partner in the world that there is, I love you so much and I want to say thank you. Thank you for being so intentional about me. Thank you for being so supportive. Thank you for being my backbone and my pillar. Thank you for being a source of encouragement and a source of joy. So that being said, let's go through a random week in my life. I did a whole lot of stuff. In case you are looking forward to the birthday cake, guys, there is no birthday cake, but there's something else. Please watch this video till the end because that would help me even reach a wider audience. So in this video, I did some home cooking. I made some fried rice. I also made some spinach and rice. I also made chicken goujons. And in this same video, I show you clips of me unboxing and testing my new sewing machine, which I got as a birthday gift. Also in this vlog, I walk the dogs. Now, as part of my resolutions for my new age, I need to keep in shape and lose excess fat. So my mission is to lose 2 kg of weight every month. So far so good. My weight has been stable. I've not been going out of hand, but I've been okay. So I'll keep putting in the work. I'll keep getting as active as I can.